Hi guys, so welcome to GNM News today. So today's news is taken from Proverbs 14 verse 12. Proverbs 14 verse 12. It says, "There's a way that seemeth right unto a man, the end thereof is destruction." So I want to ask, those your perfect ways, the perfect plans, have you taken them to God? Have you dropped them before the feet of God and say, "God, please look at these plans with me. Is it okay? Is it something I can run with? What will the end be?" Have you asked God? If you have not, I want to encourage you to do so, because when you don't show him your plan, since you don't know, because you are limited by the virtue of the fact that you are a human, the end might not go as you have wished it to go, or the way he has wished it to go for you. So you need to show him your plans, you need to show him your ways, so that he can be able to perfect it for you. It is very important. Show him your ways, let him plan it with you. His own ways and his own plans might look rough to your eyes as a human, because you don't even know the ending. It might look rough, but if you follow that way, trust me that it's going to lead to paradise. It's going to lead to a very good ending for you. So follow his ways and let him guide your path, because we are limited as humans. We don't know our ending. We only know the beginning, we don't know our ending, but he knows your beginning, he also knows your ending. So let him show you the right path. God bless you. Stay lifted and stay blessed. See you in our next video. Kindly like and share if this video has helped you and it has blessed you. God bless you.